Is your vehicle stuck in limp mode or feeling like it is dragging an anchor when you try to drive? You might be dealing with the P2823 diagnostic trouble code, which indicates a problem with pressure control Solenoid J intermittent. This is a generic OBD-II code that pops up in everything from a Nissan or Mitsubishi to a Chevy or Mercedes-Benz. Inside your automatic transmission, there are bands and clutches that need precise fluid pressure to engage the right gear at the right time. The pressure control solenoids are the gatekeepers that manage this pressure based on commands from your Powertrain Control Module or PCM. When the code P2823 sets, it means the computer is seeing an inconsistent signal from Solenoid J. It is working sometimes, but not all the time. The severity of this issue starts as moderate, but can become critical very fast. Symptoms often include the vehicle entering limp mode to protect itself, transmission overheating, gears slipping, or the car catching in gear awkwardly. You will also likely notice a significant drop in fuel economy. The causes usually boil down to maintenance or electrical issues. Dirty or contaminated transmission fluid is a major culprit, as is a clogged transmission filter. It could also be a defective transmission pump, a restricted hydraulic passage, or damaged wiring and corroded connectors. To fix this, start with the basics. Check your vehicle records. When was the last time the fluid and filter were changed? If it has been a long time, that is your first step. Check the fluid level and condition. If it is low or dirty, service it. Next, perform a visual inspection of the wiring harnesses connecting to the transmission and the PCM. You are looking for loose connections, green corrosion on pins, or wires that have rubbed through. If you are comfortable with a multimeter, you can check for continuity in the wiring. You generally want to see 0 ohms of resistance. Any resistance implies a bad wire. However, if the wiring is good and the fluid is fresh, the problem is likely the solenoid itself or the valve body inside the transmission. Since replacing these requires opening up the transmission, if the basic maintenance steps do not clear the light, you should consult a professional mechanic. Do not wait until the transmission fails completely. Address the P2823 code as soon as that light comes on.